Jasper, you're not scaring anyone. Anyways,
do you press the number first or put
Figure it out. Go.
If we press this,
Your
that is gonna come pouring out.
Your humiliation is what I. What?
No, this is our fail, not
Your
yours.
What?
Use the other washer.
Okay, great. Go.
Okay, 1, 2, 0. Wait, hold on.
This is beautiful.
Why do I feel like they're all down? Come on, bro.
This is beautiful. Hey, maybe we'll find loose change. You know, because I usually do this. Nope, nothing.
Hold on.
Come on.
Okay.
This is beautiful.
Wait. Okay, let's go first.
Okay. Part 2 coming soon.